video we will learn how to make Rakhi with ribbon at home. So let's get started.
Make a circle with radius 3 centimeters. Make another circle with radius 1 centimeter. Mark the points to make a star with 8 corners. Make a small circle in the center and cut it. Write numbers 1 to 8 as shown. The series of number is 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6. Take ribbon 85 centimeters long and insert through the hole. Make 2 folds and hold it with the thumb. Move ribbon around number 1 corner and then move the star towards the left. Then move the ribbon around corner 2. Move the star towards left. Then move the ribbon around corner 3. Move the star towards left. Then move the ribbon around corner 4. Move the star towards left. Then move the ribbon around corner 5. Move the star towards left. Then move the ribbon around corner 6. Move the star towards its left. And move the ribbon around corner 7. Then next, move the ribbon around corner 8. Again, start the series with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it one more time. Stitch the center part with thread and needle. the extra thread and the ribbon. Take out the cardboard and see the beautiful floral structure you have created. Take a piece of foam sheet and make a spiral. Cut and fold it as shown.
If you learned something new, please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel.